They also were very conscious of the number of citizens we have. Not to create institutions for the sake of appointing people to those positions. So no new governors to come. I'm sorry. Only governors for the 14 regions. We will then study this document, take it to cabinet. Cabinet is the final authority in decision making in the country. It's not the president. The president does not decide alone. Even the creation of the commission is because of the decision of the cabinet in line with the Namibian constitution and Namibian laws. We are governed by laws, not by the authority of a particular person. As for Judge Nengu, thank you very much for your patience, for your dedication. We took you out of retirement. You took the job as a dedicated citizen of the Republic. When there were need for extension, you did not hesitate. It is not you, it's not me. It's the job to be done for the Namibian people.